Hey guys, this is Arun and welcome to the very first XHTML and CSS tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys the very beginner level of XHTML and CSS. After this series, I'll be teaching you the advance of XHTML and CSS so you can design and create your own sweet website. So here we go. The first thing while beginning this tutorial is that you have to install a text editor, which I prefer you guys a Notepad+. This is a very cool text editor. Okay, so let's begin with the tutorial. So open the Notepad+. Okay, so it looks same as mine. So first thing I'm going to tell you guys, for making a website, you must know about the tags. So what the heck is these tags? So tags are basically pieces of website. For example, for inserting the images in a website, you need image tags. For the links, you need a special type of link tags. For the paragraphs, you need a paragraph tags. For the headers, you need a header tags, and so on. So in order to make a tag, you simply need a less than sign or a greater than sign. Boom. So here is a first tag. For example, for the paragraph, you need a less than sign, a character P, or a greater than sign. This is called a paragraph tag. Also, it's called a opening tag. After this, you have to close this tag. So for closing this tag, you need a less than sign, a forward slash, character P, and a greater than sign. So this is how you close this tag. So this is called a closing tag, and this is called the opening tag. So let's erase this and make a simple website. So first thing, you have to make a doc type tag. So let's make a doc type tag. Let's press the sign less than exponential mark DOCTYPE space HTML and a greater than sign. So in this tutorial, I'm not going to tell you guys that in detail that what the heck is these doc type HTML tag. So just simple, this is a technical stuff. This tag actually tells your browser that what file it gonna look for. So in next tutorial, or maybe in this series of this tutorial, cover this doc type HTML tag in brief. Okay, so don't panic about this. I'll tell you about this tag in the next tutorial. Okay, so after this doc type HTML tag, you need a HTML tag. So your entire website, what you are going to make, have to be placed between these HTML tags. So let's make an HTML tag and less than sign, obviously HTML and a greater than sign. This is an opening HTML tag and some couple of spaces and less than sign forward slash HTML and a greater than sign. So what the heck is these two HTML tags? So as I said before, so between these HTML tags, your entire website should be placed. So these actually HTML tags are going to a computer that you are going to make a website. How cool is that, right? Okay, so after these HTML tags, one thing you should know about the website is made up of two things, a head or a body. So what the heck is these head or a body? So head is something which shows all the browser info. These includes maybe a title, search engines, or maybe some browser info. So all these crabs are going to be your head. After this, the body. So body is basically all the stuff of your website rather than your head. It contains all the info. It may be a kind of a table or an image and so on. So let's make a head tag. For the head tag, you need a less than sign, HEAT, and a greater than sign. Some couple of spaces, less than sign forward slash HEAT, and a greater than sign. Remember one thing, see, all the head tags or a body tags should be placed between these HTML tags. Then it will work properly. So let's type something between these head tag. Let's type this is the this is the head. Okay, so this little message between these head tags are going to be a head. So what you're going to put between these head tags are pop up on your website with a bold character, so that it gonna tell your website that yes, I'm the head of this website. One more thing that as I said before, that in the head tag you need a title. So I'll tell you guys that what the heck is the title. So this actually my net is not working, but still I'll tell you guys what the heck is this title. So this little small message that is 192.168.1.1. So this is the called title. A little message on your tab on your browser is called a title. So how you can make this title? For the title you need a title tag. So let's make it a title tag, a less than sign, title, and a greater than sign, and a greater than sign. Some couple of spaces, less than sign, title, and a greater than sign. So as obviously like a head, what you're gonna put between these title tags are going to be a title. For example, let's make a title tag. Let's make a little message in the title. So this is the title. Okay, so this little small message that this is a title are going to be a title of the website. One important thing I'm going to tell you guys that HTML is not space sensitive, that it works same if I do this, or it works same if I do this. It doesn't count any spaces actually, so it's the same thing if I do like this or if I do this. Okay, so after the head you need a body of your website. So for a body you need obviously a body tag. So let's make a body tag, and a less than sign, BOTY, and a greater than sign, couple of spaces, a less than sign, / BOTY, and a greater than sign. So obviously like a head, what you're gonna put between these body tags are going to be a body. For example, let's make a body. So this is the body. Okay, cool. Let's make it let's make it a little bit bigger. So copy this, save some time. Okay, so this is a basic very basic actually website, very basic website syntax in HTML. So after this, the major step is to save this file. Okay, so for saving this file, click on File, Save As, and here type a file name index. So in the next tutorial, or maybe in some other tutorials, I'm going to tell you guys that why I type a file name as an index. So don't panic about this, and save as a type HTML file. So here it is, hypertext markup language file. So click on this, and I'll save on the desktop and save. Okay, so let's find my file. Okay, boom. So here I got this file as a browser. So okay, so here I got this file as my browser. That when I click on this, when I open this file, it gonna pop up, or it going to open in a browser. So let's open this, and here we made something wrong here. I think what you're gonna make something wrong. We need something wrong here. Title. This is the title, sucker. Okay, we have not put this. Okay, cool. Let's save this and reload this. Okay, so that here's our first basic website. So let's revise this. Okay, so a title. This is a title. Here we got this. Hope you guys see this. This is the title. Here a small little message on the tab. After this, the body. Okay, so this is the body. As I said before, that the HTML are not going to count any spaces. That's why that 3 lines. This is the body. That in the 3 lines are on the same line. So I'll tell you guys on the next tutorial that how to break this line. Okay, so that's all for today or for this tutorial. Let's meet you guys on the next tutorial. In the next tutorial I'm going to tell you guys the paragraphs, the line breakers, and some cool tags as well. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this. Meet you guys in the next tutorial. Okay.